In today's English lesson, we are going to be looking at adjectives. Can you remember what an adjective is, and can you think of any examples of adjectives? An adjective is a describing word, and they make our sentences more interesting to read. I would now like you to read this page of The Snail and the Whale. I want you to find all the adjectives on this page. Remember, an adjective is a describing word. Once you have had a go on your own, we will go through it together. The first adjective I have found is the word high. It says, when the tide was high. High is describing the word tide. The next adjective I have found is the word bright. What is bright describing? The next adjective is the word long. This is describing the length of the humpback whale. The next adjective is the word wonderful. What is the word wonderful describing? The next adjective I have found is the word shimmering, which is describing the ice. Shimmering means the same as shining. Next we have the words shooting and enormous. Shooting is describing the stars and enormous is describing the waves. Enormous means really, really big. And the last adjective I have found is starlit, describing the sea. Starlit means that it has been made brighter by the stars. Now I'd like you to have a think of some adjectives that you could use to describe the whale. If you're struggling, here are some that I thought of. Friendly, enormous, helpful, gigantic. Can you think of any more? Now I'd like you to think of some adjectives to describe the sea and the sky in this picture. Here is your task for today. You can find this in the workpack on the school website. The first thing you need to do is read the text and circle all the adjectives. Now I'd like you to make a list of adjectives that you can use to describe the setting and the whale. And finally, I'd like you to use your adjectives to write a paragraph to describe the picture.